Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to be making another video today. It's going to be on my 2013 Hyundai Genesis Coupe 2.0, but it should be the same for the 3.8. I think it ranges from 2013 to 16. What I'm going to do is just change the wiper blades on it. Took me a little while to figure it out, so once I figured it out, I thought I would make a quick video on it. The two sizes for the vehicle are 24 and 20. I got the Michelin Pro ones. I already have the bigger one on, the 24 one on, so I'm going to change the 20 now, which is the passenger side. See if I can. Alright, so what you want to do here is basically you're going to want to pull it out as much as you can to where it stops. I think these are still the OEM ones that are on it. You're going to want to open it and then slide down. So I'll show you that real quick. Then just slide down and it should unlock like that. You should get this. Be careful not to let this slam down, because I actually had a previous car where this slammed down and it cracked the windshield, because this is metal. So I have the new one. This is the Michelin one. This is a size 20. It's the same style, just doesn't have that big bulky piece that covers here, which every brand's gonna be different, but this is the same concept. You're just gonna want to do this with one hand. So you put it up underneath. Here, let me put the camera down. And then slide down as much as you can, and that should be it. Pull it out to make sure it locks in. And that's it. See if I can get you a better visual. So this on the car part has a little arch piece that connects inside here. So all you have to do is just take this and slide it down and it unlocks. Hope this video was helpful. Like I said, I had an issue with it and it took me a little while to figure out. I couldn't find really any videos or how-tos on it. It was just overall universal videos, which doesn't really help if your vehicle doesn't fit in that category. If you like any of the videos, comment down below, give it a thumbs up. Appreciate it.